out though, so I can clean myself.
Nice.
Well, you know, I drive everywhere with the dogs.
Yeah, I bring I bring this guy everywhere.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. He's cute.
Yeah, he's my dude.
Oh, you got it. So let me see. Can I see? Thank you. Thank you for showing me.
Do you care if he comes back and says hi?
Oh no, of course. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're okay. You're fine. Oh, I know. I know. The cover bucket, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I know what you want, right? Muskrat, right? They all want the same.
Yeah.
How old is he?
He is 6.5.
Well, my girl, she's gonna turn 8.